Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages on your Viber. So let's get started. To begin, launch the Viber application on your mobile device. You can find it by searching for Viber in your device's search bar or scrolling through your apps until you locate the Viber icon. Tap on the Viber icon to open the app. Before proceeding, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, a reliable connection is necessary for the restoration process to work smoothly. Once the app is open, tap on the More option, represented by 3 dots at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Account to proceed. In the account settings, you'll see Viber backup, purchases, desktop and tablets, change phone number, and deactivate account options. Since we are restoring messages, select Viber Backup. In the Viber Backup section, you'll see the Restore option. Before you tap on Restore, it's important to make sure that you have previously backed up your Viber messages to a linked Google Drive account. You're ready to proceed if you have already backed up your messages. Tap on Restore Now to begin the restoration process. Viber will retrieve your chat history from the backup stored on your Google Drive. Be patient as the process completes. You'll need to wait until the restoration progress reaches 100%. Once the restoration is complete, all your chat history and messages will be fully restored to your Viber account. You can now access your messages as they were before they were deleted. This is a simple and effective way to restore your Viber messages. Thank you for watching.